Well, it ain't gonna drink itself, and I don't wanna be rude. Oh, well, I guess I was blinded by the neon lights, like the Lord for Sunday morning after Saturday night. So, hey, bartender, pour me a shot, and then I swear I'm never drinking again. I'm never drinking again. Oh, I said it before, and I'll say it again. I'm never drinking again.
Let's learn Never Drinking Again. It's choreographed by Lee Hamilton. It's a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around to face the front wall and break down each section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall with steps and counts. Then we're going to go all the way around practicing a full rotation or all 4 walls of the dance, so then you can dance it on the dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Never Drinking Again. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to start by crossing our right over our left, stepping down on it, and tapping your left toe behind your right. Step your left foot back, step your right foot to the side. We're going to repeat that to the other side. So start by crossing your left over your right, stepping down on it, tapping your right toe behind your left, step your right foot back, step your left foot to the side. Let's try it a little bit quicker. Weights on your left foot. We're going to do our crossing tap. It's cross, tap, back, side. Cross, tap, back, side. Let's do it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter pivot, stepping that right foot forward. Make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. And we're going to do a weave. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the side, right foot behind, left foot to the side. Now we're going to do a cross rock. So we're going to step that right foot over our left, recover back onto your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. Making that quarter turn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to hold. Now we're going to take our left foot, we're going to rock it back and recover onto your right foot. Now we're going to repeat that to the other side. Step your left foot to the side and hold. Take your right foot, rock it back, recover. Let's try that with some counts. We ended our previous section facing 9 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. Step your right foot to the side. It's 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. Our final section of the dance, we're going to do a figure 8 vine. So we're going to step this right foot to the right side, step your left foot behind your right. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your left foot forward and make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot, and now you're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side, returning to 9 o'clock, and then we're going to do a behind side, right behind, left side. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that figure 8 vine a little bit quicker. Stepping our right foot to the side, side, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, behind, side. And then you are back to 9 o'clock to ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try that figure 8 vine part with some counts. Stepping to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's face this front wall. We're going to do it one time with steps and then one time with counts before we go all the way around. Starting weight on your left foot, cross your right over your left. Cross, tap, back, side. Cross, tap, back, side. Step, quarter, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover. Side, hold, left, rock back, recover, left, side, hold, right, rock back, recover, right, side, left, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, behind, side. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot, crossing your right over your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start all over again. So now we are going to go all the way around. We're going to practice 4 walls. On the front and back wall, I'm going to use step names, and on the side walls, we will use counts and do all 4 walls until we return facing 12 o'clock. Weight starts on your left foot. We're crossing our right over our left. It's cross, tap, back, side, cross, tap, back, side, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, hold, rock back, recover, side, hold, rock back, recover, side, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, behind, quarter, cross, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, rock 3, 4, 5, hold 6, rock 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, back, side, cross, tap, back, side. Quarter, pivot, weave, cross, rock, recover, step, side, hold, rock back, recover, side, hold, rock back, figure 8. Side, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, behind, quarter, crossover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when we come back to the turn wall, you just keep going around. Doesn't have any tags or restarts, so you don't have to worry about anything extra. I hope this helps you learn Never Drinking Again. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.